What's up? This is Eat Like an Apex. I'm Chris across the world, and today we're gonna eat some delicious food here in San Francisco.
Again, this is Chris across the world here, hanging out. We're here in San Francisco, California. Check out Spark Social SF. Gonna visit my friend's truck, Adam's Grub truck. And not only that, Man vs. Food is the whole idea behind them being here. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. With that said, I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. Peace. Hey guys, we're walking.
Hashtag Chris across the world. Follow, subscribe.
Chris across the world.
No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Don't put that in.
There's Shauna right there. Hey, check it out. I just want to say first of all that Adam's Grub Truck, it's a spot that they serve gourmet sandwiches. I've featured them before, but if you haven't seen them or heard of them, it's gourmet Asian fusion sandwiches, really popular. There's Shauna.
Hey, thanks for watching.
Oh, hey, what's up, guys? What's up, buddy? He's just doing the double dragon.
I took you some time off from the last challenge. It was only 2 days ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What was the last one?
He did ramen.
Ramen challenge?
5 pounds.
Here's the beer. Yeah, you should stick around, eat some food, and do a little talk.
Hey guys, Adam is getting hit up by the Travel Channel guys, and I'm just
It's actually a cooking channel.
Okay, the cooking channel. I didn't know that, but it's Man vs. Food regardless, and so big props to my friend right here. They're doing this thing, and we're just gonna be like kind of in the area.
Casey's been super cool too.
Casey's cool.
Really,
Yeah,
it's hot back there, man. No vents.
They're filming in the back in the truck. Let me kind of correct myself here because Adam thought it was a Travel Channel, but it's not Travel Channel. It's the cooking channel. But it is still Man vs. Food, and apparently I talked to one of the producers, and they said they've started this season into the cooking channel. So they recently just started the cooking channel.
No, I've only ever seen it in Japan.
I know, he's turned it on. Hey guys, Pierre is here. A pleasure to be graced by his presence, my friend here, and his friend here, Robin. So good to see them here. Yeah.
Yeah, we just walked out of the kitchen.
Yeah, from Man vs. Food, Casey, Travel Channel. Nice to meet him.
We're actually on the cooking channel now.
Cooking channel. That's right.
Yeah, we went from travel to
They
cooking.
told me. Awesome, man.
Christian.
This is Eat Like an Apex on YouTube.
Hey,
So
yeah, I love it, man.
So I came here to support Adam and support you guys, so good stuff.
Adam's good people, brother.
All right.
Have you had that double dragon?
Yes, I have. Oh, good? Okay.
That's perfectly fine. Yes.
I was going to ask you guys about how the food was. That's why.
Food is also awesome.
Is awesome? Yeah. You got it? Very good. Yes. Kira? Very good.
At Adam's Grub Truck, they're serving huge portions of Asian fusion flavor.
That'd be so messed up if you...
What's up, Eat Like an Apex crew? I've hijacked the camera from Boy, and he's ordering now.
What?
I think he's gonna get us some delicious food because he's got connections, which makes my life good.
Pepperoni bite in there.
Pepperoni bite?
Yeah. So
Okay.
Wolverine with a
This is the Wolverine?
Yeah.
Cool. And he's making AGT Fries. Oh, it's right there.
Hope you guys are hungry.
Oh my goodness. Back at Adam's Grub Truck. I've been here many times. I filmed the AGT Fries, but this is a new one that I haven't shot yet. And this is something that they've added to the menu. It's called the Wolverine Burger. And it's the meat patty, opposed to his traditional fried chicken variations. But you can see here they have the bacon, the cheese, the Asian slaw with the special sauce, and the dino nuggets. Yeah, I think that's everything in here. And with the brioche bun. What makes Adam's Grub Truck unique is that slaw, the Asian slaw, his variation, and the ingredients he puts in it. It definitely sticks out as an Adam's Grub Truck burger. But this is the Wolverine burger. Let's give that a bite right now. And our friends are here eating with us too. As you can see. Yep. All right, here we go. This is the Wolverine. This is massive. This is a. These are one of those things you kind of like. It's gonna get all over the place, but that's fine. Oh, it's dripping everywhere.
That?
Right.
This is kind of massive.
I'm gonna cook two in this.
I'm not a huge sauce person, but I'm gonna give this a try.
Huge. What?
Oh, the bacon is good.
Okay, I took a massive bite from that burger, and as Chris said, yeah, that bacon really does stick out. But what I like about these sandwiches is that brioche bun, man. That brioche bun is something that really sticks out for me when it comes to these gourmet sandwiches. It's toasted, and then obviously you have that the bacon, I think I got a bite of that nugget as well, that chicken nugget. Yeah, that meat patty, excellent. The flavors are explosive. It's huge, it's messy, it's delicious. What do you think? Yeah? So again, I've had the AGT Fries before, but this one in particular is massive. I'm not sure, it's been a while, but I don't remember it being this like ginormous. It's just, I mean, look at that. That's like bigger than my head.
It's too big.
Like,
I grew up in
huge.
Japan. I spent most of my life in Japan. This is like food for a family of 5 in Japan. It's massive.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Okay, again, you have those Crisket fries, you have those down on, like, you have the egg on top, the slaw, the jalapenos, and the drizzle of the teriyaki sauce, some bacon pieces, and some cheese. But it's just loaded. All right, Adam's Grub Truck.
One for Adam.
All right, man versus food. Good.
Bro, I do taste that pasta.
Oh. Yeah.
So good, man.
So good, man.
So good.
Yeah. I don't know about you, but I got that Crisket fry. Awesome.
This
Deep
is
fried. Excellence.
And a little
Got that slaw,
spicy.
a little spicy.
Love it.
Right?
Just a hint.
Uh-huh.
This is crispy too.
It's
not
crispy.
soggy at all.
Yep, exactly. So they definitely took the time to create this ginormous AGT Fries for the Apex
Buffet of
crew.
flavor.
Yep. That slaw, that bacon, the spice, man. This is a fry that you don't want to miss when you come to Adam's Grub Truck. Yeah, we're gonna keep going, work on this food here, hang out with the friends, and try to get some more behind the scenes footage of man versus food. We're just gonna.
Oh, cut the egg, let it ooze.
Oh, is it gonna ooze?
Right?
Is it?
Out the front,
Yes.
out the front,
Yep,
out the
get it.
front.
Ready? Get
Out
it. Get it. Oh! Did you get that? Oh! Yes.
Egg ooze.
Does anybody want the egg?
It's you.
Okay, I'm actually gonna eat the whole thing then.
Do it.
In one bite?
Yeah, in one bite with the nugget and a fry.
Oh my god.
This is man versus food right here.
We got a nurse
One bite.
We got a nurse on hand.
One bite.
Yeah,
One
this
bite.
is an Apex. This is an Apex bite. Oh, eat that. Wow. Lovely. Lovely.
Say hi. We're back here.
Amazing egg. Seriously.
Hi, I'm Chris.
Wow. Whoa, you're crazy. What's up, buddy?
I was gonna say hi,
Good to
but
see
you
you.
looked like you were.
Yeah. We just like tried to tap into that food there.
No chance.
Yeah, it's so delicious, so much flavor.
If you're hungry, it's a perfect place to come.
Come right now. Come right now.
Help us. Help us.
We also got the Mad Phoenix. The Mad Phoenix is a grilled chicken, sliced up cabbage, some radishes, not too much sauce in this one because Shauna ordered it particularly, and an egg with it. Go. Ooh, the chicken is so tender. Pan fried on the outside. I taste that 5-spice flavored chicken, so that 5-spice really does stick out. Yeah, that's intense. Mad Phoenix here, AGT.
Look at how huge this chicken is. This is phenomenal.
So what he's eating right now? It's the calicona, and that's the nori seaweed, the spam, the bacon, the coleslaw, the sauce, drizzle. Let me know what you think. Oh man! Look at that! Oh!
Have you done this before? You're a pro.
How does that taste? That spam is off the hook. Huh?
Good.
I've had it before. Trust me, delicious, huh? Yeah.
Eat like an Apex.
Man vs. Food is continuing to do the film segment. You guys are doing such a great job. How you feel?
No, we're trying to get this table next year.
Oh!
We did the challenge day the other day.
Yeah, what was the challenge? Oh, you said the ramen, right?
The ramen, and I had to release the entire everyone that was in the room.
Okay.
But it was funny because then people just started dwindling.
Oh,
Like, because
really?
it was really hot in there too.
So we just signed something.
9 minutes.
Didn't even read it.
So I've hijacked the Eat Like an Apex camera, and I have to be really kind of sneaky about this because people are watching me, but I'm gonna film Christian get interviewed. Getting the lighting ready. Gotta get hair and makeup. Let's check out our Eat Like an Apex crew. And looking try to get some Eat Like an Apex support out there from the cooking channel.
Try this, and then I did the fries. Yeah, AGT. Those are good.
So just loaded, packed full of that. Pretty much everything they have, almost everything they have in the truck. But you can see
Beautiful piece of artwork. Layers and layers and layers. So there's kind of this like southern influence with some Asian fusion going on, right? How do you attempt? Are you gonna, if you could?
yeah, we want to see your guys' eyes.
Okay.
Awesome.
All right, we're gonna take a bite of that
Okay.
delicious.
All right, you go.
There you go. Now you have like 45 more to go. Chicken, bacon, pulled pork. There's an egg on there as well. You know, totally be a good dad. So how often your friends come to you?
We're gonna finish it up here. Well, we had to sign contracts to be filmed with the cooking channel with Men vs. Food. So that's what we did, and those are those clips you had us seen on there being filmed. So not only did we have the food that we ate earlier, but there's some more food they gave to us for that segment. Food at AGT is always the bomb. Well, with that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Smash that like button.
Peace out. One love. Late. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. And check out this ASMR mukbang girl and Chris Across the World. Chris Across the World has a channel on YouTube. He's also on IG. Check him out if you're interested in parkour or travel videos. All right, later.